Jeremy Mitchell. I'm a level 3 CNC machinist here at Wagstaff. We operate the machine to make parts from solid pieces of metal, in this case. Go through, measure the parts, check the parts, verify that what we're cutting is within tolerance to our prints.
We can make anything from little tiny widgets to very, very large weldments. Throughout our shop, we have many diverse, different kind of CNC machines, and basically they're the backbone of our manufacturing process here at Wagstaff.
One of the most rewarding things about being a CNC machinist is seeing the finished product and knowing that you can be extremely precise in the work that you're doing, and seeing the product at the end in its finished form before it moves on to the next stage.
The great thing about being a machinist or a CNC machinist is there's no limitations to what you want to achieve. Every machinist at some point needs to use math. There's a lot of calculations as far as material removal rates, calculating feeds and speeds for your tooling that you're running, establishing your actual tolerances.
There is a lot of opportunity to advance your career here at Wagstaff and opportunities for new training.
Wagstaff produces aluminum casting equipment for the aluminum industry. It's a very good career to go into, and the demand is getting greater and greater at all times.
It's rewarding. Machining was a good career choice for me.
Brought to you by Wagstaff.